friends, this is Subhro, and today we are going to see how you can use your favorite Filmora, which is one of the most popularly used video editing softwares, absolutely free of cost throughout your life. And moreover, you do not need to worry about the irritating watermarks coming over and over again. So let's see exactly how and what you need to do in order to get rid of the watermarks and get a lifetime registration absolutely free of cost. So let me open up the software first. So this is Filmora, which is one of my favorite software editors as well. So we have a choice of light and dark screen. Anyways, I would not go into the details the of the software and how to edit, which I would cover in a video very soon. So for today, I would see what exactly are we trying to address. So here is a sample video which I have got, and I would add this video to my timelines where I can edit. Let's say I have finished the editing of the video and it's ready to be uploaded. So at that stage, when you click on export, I'm sure this is the most common screen that you come across every time you try to upload your video using a free version of Filmora. So today we'll see how best we can tackle this, and we do not need to pay any subscriptions, and we can use Filmora free without having the watermarks command again and again. So let's see how exactly we handle it from here. We'll first get rid of the screen, and I would just launch a notepad. I hope you all know how to launch a notepad. So assuming that, here is a notepad for you, and we do exactly the steps that I would show you now. Click on File, then go to Open, and there you need to choose C drive, which is your Windows C drive, and from there you would look for Windows, which is this. I double click on Windows. Let me just expand the size of this so that it makes it easy. So now we are at the Windows folder, and we'll try to scroll down and find System32. There we are. So I'll double click on System32, and now we'll look for a folder by the name of drivers. There we are. So I'll double click on drivers again, and finally we have a smaller list of files now, out of which we'll select etc. When you double click, so most probably you would see a blank screen, but don't need to worry. So all you need to do is click on the drop down here and select all files, and once you select all files, you would see quite a few files listed out there. So out of all of this, you would need to select host. Either you can double click on it, or you can click on open, and it would open up the hosts file on the notepad which you had initially opened up. So on this, ignore whatever is written on the host file and just click the cursor right at the bottom of the page. So now I would show you what you need to do here. So I would just open up some text for you. So in this text, I would show you what you need to input in the host file. I have just copied over the text from the notepad, and I would paste that. So this is the magic set of letters and numbers which is going to do the trick for you. You do not need to memorize or remember this. I would provide this the detailed description below. So once you have input this, you just need to go to Files and click on Save. Now I would just exit out of this particular screen. Now that I have done it, I would simply close Filmora as of now, and I would launch Filmora once again. So while we are doing that, I would just like to show you the version that I'm using, which is one of the latest versions, which is 8.7.2, and there you go. I have one of the pop-ups up, and I would choose the full feature mode, and there you go. The first thing you need to remember and do is you need to switch off your internet connection, and now your system is offline. So once you have done that, you would need to go to the help option and click on offline activation. Click on that and you would find there is this place where it would ask you to input the licensed email ID and the registration code, and you would have a activation key or activation button right over here. I would provide a list of activation codes and also the corresponding email ID which you need to input. So you can use any one of them from the list here, and it's certainly going to work for you. It might so happen that for one or two of them, when you input the licensed email ID and the registration code, it might say that the ID is already banned or activated or used. Don't worry, move on to the next one. So try random one or two of them. I'm sure that the next one would be absolutely granted. So once you do that, it would say that the activation has been done successfully, which you can see here. There you see, I do not see the pop-up again, but again I need to be online in order to upload my video into any of the social platforms which you might like to. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. So please try this out, and in case you still have an issue, please write down on the comments below so that I can help you out with your situation. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel so that you can have more such videos coming up in the recent future, and we can have a lot more such tech information available to you. Thank you so much for your time, and hope this video has helped. Till then, see you. Bye bye.